Hakadosh Boker Or, page 101. Mishna Yomi Masechet Shevuot, Perek Vav, Mishnah Zayin. That's chapter 6, Mishnah Zayin, and Perek Zayin, Mishnah Aleph. So it's Vav Zayin, Zayin Aleph. Okay, chapter 6, Mishnah 7, and chapter 7, Mishnah Aleph. Says Mishnah 7. Hamalve et chavero ala mashkon. Imagine right now you lend a person money on a security, and the security was lost or stolen. And now there's a machloket, how much is the security actually worth? Page 101. Amar lo sela ilviticha alav v'shekel haya shaveh. Imagine the guy comes and he says to the borrower, I lent you a sela, right? But the worth was only of a shekel, which is half of a sela. So you still owe me a shekel. V'hala omer, the other one says, lo, ki ela sela v'tanya. It was sela and sela. It was one sela you lent me, and the value of the collateral was also a sela. Patur, you're going to be patur. Second case, sela ilvitich alav v'shekel haya shaveh. What happens? I lent you a sela, and the security was worth only a shekel. So you still owe me, right? A shekel, which is 2 dinars. He says, no. Chayav. In this case, you're going to be chayav to swear an oath. He says because he admits that he still owes part of the claim. Meaning the fact that the other time he went and he said, I don't owe you anything because the collateral was worth its full value, so he's going to be patur from a shevuah. Here he says, I still owe you something, but not as much as you're saying. So here he has to make a shevuah. Sela ilvatani elav v'shtayim haya shaveh. Says what happens if he comes and he says 2 selas, and it's only going to be when he comes and he says, right? It was 1 sela, and the collateral was worth 2 selas, meaning I gave you a bigger collateral. So he says, "V'hala omer lo ki ela sela v'aticha alav v'sela haya shaveh." No, it was worth a sela, and it is a sela. It's going to be patur. Sela ilvatani elav v'shtayim haya shaveh. What happens if he says you lent me a sela and I was worth 2? And it's going to be worth 5 dinars. So now I owe you a dinar, 1 dinar, and not 4. Again, you're going to be chayav. Why? Because since you admitted to partial claim that you're still chayav to pay him back something, you're going to swear. Who swears first? Misha pikadon etzlo, the one that has the pikadon, the deposit by him. Shema yishava zev yotzia hala pikadon. Why? Because if not, the borrower might swear, and then the other side will bring out the pikadon, and then it was a swear in vain. So we don't want to swear in vain. Everyone understood what happened? One more time. If I have the pikadon, I have the deposit. So now if you're going to swear that your deposit that you gave to me was worth $10, and all of a sudden I pull out the pikadon, and we evaluate it and it's $8, you just swore in vain. We don't want that. So we want that the one that's swearing is the one that has the pikadon. So that way he would never be able to come and take out the pikadon, right? Because be'emet, what's good? So therefore it's not going to be a swearing in vain. So that's what we don't want. Okay? Next one. Chapter 7, Mishnah Aleph. Kol anishpain sheba Torah. Anybody that swears according to the Torah, nishpain v'lo meshalmim. They swear they don't have to pay. Ve'elu nishpain v'lo. But there's going to be people that they swear and they collect money midrabanan. Hasachir, a hired worker. So if he swears that you still owe money, he gets the money from you. Anigzal, the one that was stolen from. Nechbal, somebody that was injured. Now what happens? He says somebody that the other person is suspected of swearing falsely. Meaning, if one of the people is suspected of swearing falsely, the other guy swears because the other guy is believed. So he says, the storekeeper on his account book. Hasachir keitza. What's the case of the sachir? Amarlo, tell me tzchari. He says, pay me my salary. He says, I already paid you. But he said, I didn't take anything. When he swears, and then he takes the money. Rabbi Yudah says, no, you have to have a little bit of odah. Ketzad. He says, give me the $50. He says, no, what are you talking about? You already got 25, so I only owe you 25. That's when he's going to have to swear. But if not, he does not swear according to this shita.